In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable sign in automatically into websites with Google Password Manager on your Samsung Galaxy S23. First, open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy and scroll through your settings until you see the option General Management. Under General Management, scroll down and select the option Passwords and Autofill. Next, select Google and tap on the settings icon next to the label Password Manager. Under this, you should see Sign in automatically with a toggle right next to it. What you need to do is tap on it to enable it, and if you wish to disable it, simply tap on it again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.